HG superstars, how are you all? Okay, after all the pandemic situations and suppressed emotions, if you feel you need to do the cleansing as well as spiritual healing, we are planning to arrange one day workshop on 28th of November 2020. That would be on Saturday, sharp at 10 a.m. Okay, and this is only for HRG family members, and the exchange of energy for this workshop would be 5,000. And please bring your own lunch, or maybe you can have lunch nearby restaurant. And definitely this workshop is going to empower you, enhance you, and cleanse your soul. Okay, I know most of the people are going through a lot of problem. Please come and get cleanse yourself, and I'll see you on 28th of November sharp at 10 a.m. Okay, thank you. And the end time, even I don't know. You know that we will be going with the flow. Let's see what we are going to cover it up on that day. Okay, thank you. I love you all. Bye bye. Always be blessed. Bye bye.